Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to the Mobile Hotel. My name is Patrick. How may I help you?
Is there any available?
Yes, sir. Let me assist you with one test. May I carry your luggage?
Yes, sure.
May I escort to your room?
Yeah, sure.
Before we arrive to your room, allow me to explain our hotel facilities. Breakfast will be available at the restaurant located at the lobby level from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. We also have coffee and business center at the lobby level. Our meeting rooms are located at the second floor. The swimming pool, spa, and fitness center at the 5th floor. Have a seat, sir. Allow me to explain our room facilities. You have a view in the city, and this is your bedside lamp. This is your telephone outgoing call. Press 0 for operation assistant. Press 1 for housekeeping. Press 2 for laundry, and 3 for room service. This is your air conditioner, sir. And this is lastly the bathroom. Water tap red for hot water and blue for cold water.
Alright, I will ask you again if I forgot.
Yes, sir. My pleasure.
Oh.
Sir, may I unpack your clothes and place it in the cabinet?
Yes, you can.
I am done unpacking your clothes. Is there any else can I assist you?
No, I think that's enough. Thank you so much.
Good morning, sir. I'm here to unpack your clothes.
Okay.
I'm done unpacking your clothes, sir.
Okay.
This way in the parking lot, sir. Thank you for staying with us, sir. We look forward to seeing you to next your check-in.